Hello everyone, tired of waste and discomfort? Switch to reusable pads today. The eco-friendly, cost-effective and healthier alternative to disposables. Eco Period reusable sanitary pad is the perfect choice. Why choose Eco Period? Because it's leak-proof, soft made with breathable cotton, toxin-free, eco-friendly, which is they help protect the environment by reducing waste and also cost-effective. A set lasts years saving you money. All you have to do is to rinse, wash, dry, and use again. Chelsea Foundation, in collaboration with GES, Ifutu Municipality, and Eco Period Reusable Sanitary Pad, calls on you to support the Pad a Girl project. By supporting this initiative, you help supply 1,000 girls in the Ifutu Municipality with free sanitary pads. We are counting on your support to make this happen. Thank you very much. Chelsea Foundation, healing hearts, restoring lives. Bye.